Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is March the 24th. We're out here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Great when I work in Lawrenceville because I'm not far from the shop. I went out this morning to Atlanta, did a consultation. It's going to be she booked on the spot, screen, recoat, UV cure, and also her kitchen marble countertops. Also had a job come through for Thursday. Also had another job come through for Saturday. So we are totally booked this week, except tomorrow. I have nothing on the schedule tomorrow. So this is Mrs. Pat. I did come out here last week, did an in-home consultation. And what we're going to be doing here today, guys, just like Saturday, engineered wood floor. She got some wax on it, so we're going to remove the wax, clean the floors, neutralize, then butt the floors out, and we're also doing her granite countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. All right, guys, and then after this, we got to go right up, not far from here, to Snellville and do another in-home consultation. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is these engineered floors. So she started noticing scuff marks all over, and we're gonna be doing this foyer area. So see right there, guys, see the little scuff marks? Got some type of wax on it. So we're gonna come through here, clean this. Then we're gonna come through here, and then also do this entire kitchen area. Kind of stop right there. There's Tavares, and then we're gonna also clean, buff, polish, and seal these granite countertops. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Lawrenceville, Georgia. Truman in the building. We don't replay. We restore. Yeah, bring that shine back. Yeah, we bring that light back. Flow look dead. Now they bounce right back. Wax all gone. Yeah, we strip that layer. Now it's clean. See the grain, see it shine like glass. Countertop gleam. Yeah, we polish that stone. Seal it up tight. Now locked and strong. Lawrenceville job, yeah, we did that right. Truman on side, bring the shine back home. Pulled up clean in the right, they seen the name. They were watching like who that, now they know the game. Engineer flows all cloudy, wax built it, clean, stressed out like can you fix this? Say hold up, yeah, we got the system, man. Strip it down, neutralized, now we back to living. Buff it out smooth, bring the texture alive. Now the floor looking like it just came out the bottle. No sanding, no dirt, no mess in the air. No mess in the air. Just % work, yeah, we showing we care. We showing we care. Owner on site, yeah, you know who it be. You know who it be. Cutting the lead, bringing flows back to life, you see. Bring that shine back. Yeah, we bring that light back. Flow look dead. Now they bounce right back. Wax all gone, yeah, we strip that layer. Now it's clean, see the grain, see it shine like glass. Countertops gleam. Yeah, we polish that stone. Seal it up tight. Now locked in strong. Lawrenceville job, yeah, we did that right. Truman on side, bring the shine back home. Granite tops dub, add no reflection. Hit it with the polish, now it's perfection. Buff, polish, seal that protection. Water beat up, yeah, that's protection. Clean like wow, yeah, they didn't expect it. Same day service, yeah, we keep it effective. Google found me, YouTube show proof. Now the whole house shining at the Truman True. Van rap rolling, yeah, marketing strong. Seen in the street, now the neighbors on the phone. 4 years later, still shining, no lie. That's that real work, that don't fade over time. From dub to gloss, from gone to boss. We restore, we don't replace. Yeah. Put that shine back in its place. Put that shine back in its place. Yeah. Put that shine back in its place. Yeah. Bring that shine back. Yeah, we bring that light back. Flow look dead. And they bounce right back.
That is going to do it. Floors came out great. Also the countertops. All right. Hey, we did a condo Friday, the one we did in Buckhead in a Park Place. The client actually wrote me a great 5-star review today. And while we was there, a contractor actually saw my van, took a picture, and he called me today because he has a house that he wants us to look at in Johns Creek. So Thursday, me and Tavares is going to Hilton Head, South Carolina, to do a job for a contractor. So I'm going to have my sanding guy Aaron go out there, and I'll give them a price for their floors. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Tomorrow, I have 3 consultations. I had 1, but I ended up booking 2 more for today. So I'll be out doing consultations all day tomorrow, and then we'll see you on Thursday when we're heading to South Carolina. All right, guys, see you in the next one.